Question 25. I want to compare the number of cars passing school for 5 days. What is the best type of chart to show this information? Now, these charts and graphs here, bar chart, pie chart, line graph, we're actually showing different types of eye colors for a different number of students. But you could easily make this days of the week instead. So it could, instead of blue, it could say Monday, it could say Tuesday here, it could say Wednesday, Thursday, and then we could have a fifth bar for Friday. I know there's only 4 bars, but it'd be easy to add a fifth bar Friday. 4 sections on this pie chart. Again, we could have a 5th section and make it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Line graph, and we could have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now then, it really does depend on what you're trying to show and how you're trying to show it. So each of these has different advantages and disadvantages. Now, sometimes when we do showing how things change over time, we would use a line graph. Line graphs are good for showing changes over time. And we sort of are showing changes over time here because we're going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in 5 days. So a line graph would be a good choice. Difference between a bar chart and a pie chart is an advantage a bar chart gives you is that it shows you the exact number for each thing. So on here, we would have exactly 40 for Monday, Tuesday exactly 80, Wednesday is level with exactly 30, Thursday is level with that exactly 10. So if you want to know the exact number for each day, a bar chart is the way forward. But what it doesn't show you, a bar chart, is the percentage in relation to the whole total. And a pie chart can actually show you that. So, for example, this pie chart, you can see that the brown section for Tuesday is exactly half. So that's half of the total. Whereas the blue section is a quarter of the total. And you can see that because it's got a right angle here. And now you might think, well, can't we get that from the bar chart? Well, you could, because if you actually add up these totals, 40 add 80 is 120, add 30 adds 10 is 160, and this 80 here is 80 out of 160, and that is exactly a half. So the bar chart is kind of showing you the same information as the pie chart, but it's easier to spot with a pie chart that it's a half of the total than the bar chart. The 40, which was the blue section, this is also out of 160, and 40 out of 160 is exactly a quarter. But again, it's easy to spot what it is in relation to the total on the pie chart. So if you want the exact numbers, you would go for the bar chart. If you want to be able to see how big it is in relation to the total, what percentage of the total it is, so half, 50%, quarter, 25%, you would go for a pie chart instead. A line graph is also acceptable in this case. So there's not really a best answer in this case. It depends how you want to display the data.